Hey guys, this is how to fix Crunchyroll app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and just simply search the app at the top. And after that, just simply tap on the app, and when there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see here update and make sure you are running the latest version, and just simply tap on the three dots at the top right and make sure to enable the auto update as well. Now, another option, just simply go to the settings into your device, and after that, just simply scroll down and go for the apps, and just simply go for the Crunchy application over here. And after that, just simply go to the storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix it. But if you still encounter issue, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to reset the app. Now, for the third solution, just simply go ahead and hold the app and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK, and just simply go to the Google Play Store and reinstall the application again. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, guys, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.